welcome to my video. I hope you're doing very well. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. As you can see, we have a Louis Vuitton SLG, we have another SLG, and I have a Dior handbag that I wanted to share with you guys. And at the very end, I will also share my baby's newborn pictures since my last video. It's been a while since I've posted a video. It's just been so busy with the newborn life, but we're back and I can't wait to get back into making videos. So let's just start with this one. I've actually had this for quite a while and I have been waiting to use it, but I was waiting to do an unboxing with you guys. So let's just open it up. And can't wait to see. Hopefully I'm still in frame. And ta-da! It's the pencil case. I actually got this around the holiday season and I absolutely could not withhold myself from getting this because I'm obsessed. I have a yellow cat. I know this is not a cat, but it's close enough. This is, I think, a special edition hand-painted one. And I saw that the top part was pink. And so it's just so cute. You can see the gold hardware. Hopefully it's focusing. I'm here in my dining room, so hopefully the light is okay. I got this so I could put my work pens and highlighters and things in here in my purse. It's just to organize all my pens and things. And I just love that the inside is pink. And it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain right there. If you're interested in this, I'm not sure if this is still on the website. And then here is the code if you're interested. I think this is so cute. That's what the back looks like. It's almost like a little taco, but it's a really cute size. And like I said, I got this so I could keep my work pens and my work highlighters. I'm a little particular about which pens I use. I'm just one of those pen stationery nerds. And so I absolutely love this. I can't wait to start using this in my purse. So we'll put that aside. All right, now let's move on to the next one. This one I'm a little nervous about, and so this one actually is not brand new from Louis Vuitton. I got this off TheRealReal. It's an SLG, but I am so excited to open it. Here we go. All right. I'm so nervous. Let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! It's part of the Capucine collection, and it's black with gold hardware. I have been using the Portland Leather Goods large Bosman wallet and I love it, but I was just wanting to get back into Louis Vuitton again and I saw this, and the structure and the layout of this is very similar to my large Bosman wallet. So let's tour this. A beautiful black leather. It's so soft. It's part of it's a wallet that kind of goes with the Capucine collection, which is Louis Vuitton's highest end. And I have been debating on if I wanted to add one of the Capucines to my wish list one day to get, and I probably will. And I love the black and the gold hardware. It's just a snap closure. As you can see, there's a little bit of indentation there, which is okay. And then this is what the inside looks like. I thought it fit me perfectly because it has a hot pink interior. And so here in the back, here is the Louis Vuitton card. And so that's a nice place. I could probably put cash back there or receipts. Here's the inside, and there are 6 slots here on the back, and then there's some more here, 6 slots on the front. So that's a lot of card slots there. And then this is a little bit, there's a gap here, which is nice, so I could put stuff there, receipts if I wanted to. And then here is a central zipper compartment for coins and whatnot. And then it has the beautiful gold hardware. This is interesting because normally I feel like the Louis Vuitton zippers are more of the square zippers, but this one is more of an eclipse, which is interesting. So I got this off TheRealReal. This is used, that's why you can see some indentions, but that's totally fine with me. So I love TheRealReal. It's a really good place to go check out if you're interested in luxury designer bags without paying the full premium price. None of my videos are sponsored. I just love it. And then here's the front compartment. You can see Louis Vuitton, made in France right there. It's this really pretty, it's so soft. I think it's like lambskin. And then in the front, I flipped it over, but there are 6 more card slots. So I think this will be a really handy, lately I've been into the larger wallets. There's a little thing right here. I think I can just wipe that off, but here's what the back looks like. Here's what the front, and I can't wait to start using. I'll probably move into it today and start using this. Can't wait. So And last but not least, I have the Dior unboxing. I actually used it once, I'm not gonna lie, just put it right back in its dust bag. I have always wanted a Dior bag, partially because my name is Diane and there's a big D emblem. So let's get started. Like I said, I also got this from TheRealReal. Again, it's not sponsored, but check out TheRealReal. I also like to look on the fashion file if you're interested in some pre-loved bags that are authenticated. And then so, ta-da, can you see? Let me see, let me make sure you're still in frame. I'm so excited. It's also this beautiful pink. And pull it out of the dust bag and ta-da, look how beautiful she is. Let's do up and down. I'm in my dining room and I've already put the camera back as far as I can, where I can still reach both the camera and the bags, but look how pretty she is. I've always wanted a Lady Dior. This is actually a more vintage one. And this is the large size, which for me, I am more of a larger type of bag lady, but you can see, oh my God, there's just something about the sound of the handles. Can you hear it? It's just, I love that sound. And the hardware is gold. It's so heavy and it's like a very high quality. There's a CD here for Christian Dior on both sides. I just love this leather. Look how pretty, and of course I had to get pink. And with Christian Dior, the handles kind of fold out like that, where it shows it as CD for Christian Dior. And it came with a shoulder strap. And what I love about this, like I said, this is a pre-loved, this is more vintage. I think this is from 2014, so this is probably like a 10-year-old bag or so. But the older vintage bags, which I actually love, is fully enclosed with a zipper. And the newer ones have a flap. It's probably easier to get in and out of, but I just like the security of a zippered bag. And I just love all the little details. It says CD, but the hardware on the zipper is so substantial. All the hardware just feels so luxurious. And then the zipper is still smooth despite this being a vintage bag. And then when you open it up, it's just a big hole down there. You can see the crisscross pattern with the CD on the inside. And then there is a interior pocket right there that is also zippered. And you can see Christian Dior made in Italy down there. And so it's a nice size pocket. I love the large size. I think for me, this is a good size because I tend to carry more than probably the average lady. Oh, of course, this is the front. I haven't even showed you yet. Part of the Lady Dior is the hardware, the click-clack sound of all the hardware and the handles that you can hear. But also, you can see the beautiful gold hardware with the little CD details all over. And then of course we have the charm, the Dior charm here. I just love the click clack sound of this bag. And so here's the side. The bags come with feet. So you can see it's just a beautiful bag. And it's so ladylike. I've always wanted a Lady Dior. I've always wanted the vintage large version because of the zipper. And so I am so glad that I finally got this bag. Let's zoom out. And then so here she is. I think the handles are kind of tilted to the side. There's nothing wrong with the handles. They're just kind of tilted to the side, but let me zoom out. Here she is in all of her beauty. I probably will use her today because I've been waiting so long to unbox her and officially start using her, but I really wanted to wait until I made today's video for you guys because I know it's been so long. I hope you are all doing well. I will just insert some pictures of my newborn. She is so precious. We are so obsessed with her. So you can also meet her as well. She's currently napping. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.